Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce the Mesh Interconnection function of EJEAS X10 Plus. Mesh Interconnection means that we can connect Bluetooth headphones or intercoms of other brands to our Mesh communication channel via Bluetooth. Meanwhile, X10 Plus supports 100 people to talk at the same time, which means that it can connect 50 other brands' intercoms when using 50 X10 Plus. This makes it more suitable for users in large clubs, motorcycle touring teams to achieve cross-brand interconnection and communication. Now I will show you how to use this function. You can see we have two EJEAS X10 Plus, one Sena 50C and one Cato Edge. First of all, we must turn on all the devices. We press and hold the phone button on the X10 Plus to turn it on. We need to long press the power button and the phone button of Sena. For Cato, we should long press the power button to turn it on. Then we let EJEAS X10 Plus enter the mesh pairing mode. Then we press and hold the intercom button to make the X10 Plus and press the intercom button again on either one and wait for pairing. Okay, pairing successful. And now we can connect to other brand. Push the wheel button of X10 Plus about 5 seconds to enter Bluetooth pairing. It will flash alternately with red and blue light. And push Cato's phone button about 5 seconds to let it enter the Bluetooth pairing. Then push the wheel button and phone button of X10 Plus to initiate the intercom searching. As the lights start flashing in unison, these three machines are now connected together. And you can see these three devices have connected to the same channel. You can hear that. Hello, 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 can you hear me? Hello everyone. Then we can continue to connect Sena. The steps are the same. Now these four devices are on the same channel and they can talk to each other. Hello, 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 can you hear me? You can see we achieved the cross-brand interconnection and communication. That is our Mesh Interconnection function.